Welcome, in front of me is a Motorola Edge 50 Fusion, and today I will show you how we can put this device into Bootloader. So to get started, you want to hold your power button and volume up at the same time and choose power off from the options. When the device turns off, hold power button and volume down, and in a moment this will take us to the bootloader. There we go. Now once you see this mode, you can let go of both of the buttons. Now in here you can use volume up or down to navigate up or down, and power button will be used to confirm whatever is selected. So going over the options, we have start, which takes us back to Android, then we have restart bootloader, which basically does nothing. Recovery mode, self-explanatory, takes us to recovery mode, power off, then we have bootloader logs, barcodes, and we're back to start. So anyway, I'm gonna confirm that, just so I can get back to Android. And there we go. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.